How to draw Clobbopus the Pokemon. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing two circles for the eyes, with the first circle being on the left hand side. On the inside of each circle, we'll draw a pupil by using a sideways oval. Nice job! A little to the right, we will draw the second eye of our Pokemon. All done? If so, let's continue. Now around the two eyes that we just drew, we're going to draw a big outline, which will be a little tricky, so be sure to pause the video if you need to. If you enjoy learning how to draw Pokemon like Clobbopus, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. Whoa, great job! So far this is coming along very well. Now the next step might seem to be a little repetitive, but we're going to outline everything that we just made. Do you have a favorite Pokemon? If so, comment it down below so that we can draw it for you. Now we're all done drawing the outline of the eyes. Next we're going to draw a big C-like shape connected to the outline that we just drew together, and we're going to make it go all the way over to the right side of the eyes. This will help make the top of the head. Now to the left of the endpoint of which we just finished drawing that line, we're going to draw two circles, one smaller and one larger, one inside of another. This will help make the ear of Clobbopus. Now we're going to connect the ear to the right curved line by using two small curved lines. Well done, so far this is shaping up very well. Now we're going to begin to draw the right tentacle. In total we are going to draw 6. The right tentacle will connect to the head. Now every artist has goals. For me personally, it is for Learn How to Draw Hub to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. You can help us hit that goal if you enjoy watching drawing tutorials just like this by subscribing so you stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials. A second cool perk of being a subscriber is that you can have all the drawing requests that you would like to see drawn on our channel done if you comment it down below in the videos. Now on the bottom portion of the right tentacle, we're going to draw two skinny rectangular shapes going from left to right. These will be the suction cups of Clobbopus. Now directly below the eyes, we're going to draw a total of 4 tentacles that will all look similar to triangle-like shapes. The last tentacle that we draw will be connected to the right tentacle. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now to the left of the eyes, we're going to draw 2 circles. These will be the suction cups on the left tentacle. Now we will finish drawing the left tentacle by connecting it to the head as well as the rest of the tentacles down below. Beneath the largest circle up top, we're going to draw a line going across to help separate the colors. Now just like how we used an outline to separate the colors on the left tentacle, we're going to do the exact same thing but on the bottom tentacles. Now last but not least, we're going to draw 4 circles on the top of the head for detail. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match the colors. This is How to Draw Clobbopus. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. I highly recommend you consider giving this video a big like if it helped you out today so that other YouTube artists can see it as well, and I can't wait to see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you enjoyed today's Pokemon drawing tutorial, then be sure to click down to the left so that you can view our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. See you next time!